Hello everyone, Maximilian here, coming up with the next video. And in the last video I showed you how you can submit your orders on CNFans, which is a great agent, better than Panabuy and the other ones, and most importantly it's safe. And in this video I would like to show you step by step how you can pay for your parcels and orders. So in this video we will go through all the payment methods and the CNFans. Thank you user KLLM12 for just bringing up this idea, because it's really important to just cover the payment methods. And yeah, great idea, bro. Let's cover out the topic about payments on CNFans. So when you log into the CNFans website, this is how it all looks like. Let's go to the profile picture and let's select the wallet. And now, as you can see, you have the balance. So this is your balance, this is how much money you have on your CNFans account. And you have like two options. You can either top up your balance or you can actually withdraw the money. If you want to just add the money, just click on the top up. And if you want to just withdraw the money from your CNFans account, just withdraw it. And here, as you can see, we also have the history of all the operations. So I earned a total of 100 yuans from the affiliate program, and yeah, this is how it all goes. When you want to pay for your parcel, you just want to click on the top up and add the money. So here you have to select the amount of money you want to add, and let's say I would like to add here 500 yuans, which is just 315 Polish zloty, and actually there's a fee of 20 yuans. And now we have like 5 different options to choose from. We can either use the debit card and the credit card, which is a payment global coverage and multiple currencies. So you can pay with Visa, MasterCard. You can also use this option, which is the same. And what's new is that you can also pay with Apple Pay. So it's really convenient way of paying. You can actually pay with Apple Pay. There is a handling fee, as you can see, of 12 Polish zloty. So you have to just keep this thing in mind. But as you can see, it's the same for the debit card. So there is no difference whatsoever. If you are in Poland, as I am, actually use Blik. So Blik is also very useful and easy way of just paying for your stuff. And if you want to have zero handling fee, you can actually use the Wise. So Wise is actually a very cool payment method. It's like the Revolut, but you can actually pay for many different services. And yeah, it's better than PayPal, which takes a lot of fees. So these are the options. If you are from the United States, you can use these options as well. Let's select the first option and let's continue. As you can see here in the checkout, we have the one-way middleman, so it looks like this. Here you put your credit card, your expiry date, CVV number, the cardholder name, and all your information. So that's it. And you can pay for that. Paying with Apple Pay is so simple. You just select your Apple Pay method and click on Pay with Apple Pay. You also can select different cards, and that's as easy as this. Wise is also very nice because you can just simply use any currency you want to, and you just do the transaction. You have your account holder and every single information needed for the transfer, so that's as easy as this. And if you have already sent the money, here are also some different information you have to just add here. Once you have your money on your balance, you simply go to your parcels. So let's go to your My Orders, and here is the parcel button. So let's click on this, and here are all the different parcels we have here. So mine is still calculating for shipping, and there is no calculated fee, handling fee, so I still need to wait for it to arrive. But if your parcel is already packed, just press on pay and you pay with your balance. If you don't have the funds on your balance, you can just simply use the previous methods of paying for parcels that I mentioned previously, and this thing will also work. Okay people, so that's pretty much it. That's for today's video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. If you have some troubles with paying for your orders or parcels, also let me know, I will help you. And yeah, if you're looking for a great agent, the CNFans is just a great option. Not only it is safe, but also fast and one of the cheapest agents. So why don't you use it? Be sure to sign up to CNFans with my link down below. See you in the next video. Bye.